KDC1200 SmartSled is a rugged data capture solution designed for fast, reliable barcode and RFID scanning. With a built-in half-watt UHF reader, it delivers enterprise-grade performance in a single integrated device. The KDC1200 features two scan buttons, a high-performance 1D and 2D imager scan engine, a half-watt UHF antenna, pogo pins for secure cradle connection, a multicolor LED indicator, a USB Type-C port for charging and connectivity, and lastly, a 1100 mAh rechargeable and removable battery. If your SmartSled uses the two-part case design, follow these steps. Some models may feature a screw on the side for added security. Start by sliding the phone down into the bottom portion of the SmartSled, making sure it aligns with the USB connector at the base of the case. Next, place the top piece over the phone. Using the provided screws, fasten the top and bottom sections together to secure the phone in place. For the one-piece case design, slide the phone into the SmartSled bottom first, aligning it with the USB-C connector at the bottom of the case. Then stretch the case over the top of the phone. And now the phone is installed. Start by removing the screws that hold the two parts of the case together. Lift off the top piece. Then carefully slide the phone out of the case. Avoid bending or flexing the bottom portion, as this may damage the USB connector. For the one-piece case design, flex the case slightly to loosen the phone, then slide it out horizontally. Do not peel or pull the phone outward away from the case. Bending at the USB connector can permanently damage the connector. To power the KDC1200 on or off, press and hold both scan buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. A beep confirms power on or off. A long beep indicates the device is ready to use. By default, the KDC1200 communicates using USB HID mode. HID functions like a keyboard, transmitting data directly into any active text field. USB serial mode enables two-way communication between the KDC1200 and an application such as KT Sync or a custom app developed using the SDK. If you prefer to use Bluetooth over USB connectivity, follow these instructions. Bluetooth HID provides one-way communication. Bluetooth SPP enables two-way communication for advanced applications. To pair, open the Bluetooth settings on your host device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Scan the appropriate pairing barcode from the mini guide. Select the KDC1200 listed by serial number. A beep confirms a successful connection. For two-way communication, use KT Sync. Download KT Sync from the App Store. Connect the KDC1200 using USB serial or Bluetooth SPP mode. Once connected, scan data will appear inside the KT Sync application. Terminate KT Sync application when using compatible custom applications. Barcode mode is the default setting. To scan, aim the scan window at the barcode and press either scan button. A successful scan sounds one beep. 5 beeps indicate an unsuccessful read. Scanned data is instantly transmitted to the connected device. To switch between barcode mode and UHF mode, press the following scan button sequence within 3 seconds. Left, left, right, right, left, right. A series of beeps confirms the mode change. The KDC1200 supports 3 UHF read modes. Active mode continuously reads tags while the scan button is held. This is the default scanning mode. Single mode reads 1 tag per trigger press. Multiple mode reads multiple tags for a defined period of time. Modes can be changed using special configuration barcodes or through application settings. The KDC1200 features a built-in half-watt UHF RFID reader for fast and efficient tag capture. When in UHF mode, press the scan buttons and aim the antenna toward the RFID tags. For optimal performance, keep the antenna facing the tags and maintain appropriate distance from the body. Multiple fast beeps may occur depending on the number of tags detected and the read mode you have selected. Start by loosening the screw at the bottom of the battery cover. It won't come out completely. Lift the bottom of the cover to open it. Then grab the battery removal ribbon and gently pull the battery out of the KDC1200. Insert the new battery, close the cover, and tighten the screw to secure it. The KDC1200 can be charged using the external USB-C port or compatible charging cradles. Simply drop the device into an open slot on the charging cradle to begin charging. The LED indicator displays charging status. Amber indicates charging. Green indicates fully charged. Blinking red indicates a charging issue. The KDC1200 SmartSled combines high-performance barcode scanning with an integrated half-watt UHF RFID reader in one rugged, enterprise-ready solution. For more information, visit KOAMTAC.com.